Over the past 3 years, I have been able to, gather experience, and I have observed using my other channel that getting subscribers on YouTube is not really as hard as I thought as it was, right? It's actually a journey because it's not like I got my first 1,000 subscribers in 1 week or 2 weeks, right? But I discovered that it's really very, very possible to get subscribers fast. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I have observed and what I am currently applying. And I'm hoping that you too can also apply because it works. It works quite well. Now, there are so many ways via which you can get subscribers. I'm going to be talking about a few of them, but I'm going to be focusing mainly on two. These two I have personally applied on my other channel and I saw results. So I can actually go ahead and recommend it for any other person on YouTube. There are different ways via which you can get subscribers. The first one is by talking about your channel to your personal persons, your family and friends, your social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, and the likes of them, right? You can talk about your channel there and get subscribers from that place organically. Now, the next one is by joining support groups. There are so many support groups here on social media, on Telegram especially. You can you can join some support group people that they want to get subscribers, so they subscribe to your own channel and then you return the favor. The reason why I don't really actually subscribe to that pattern is because to me I still believe that it's a kind of sub for sub, and I don't do sub for sub. In fact, I don't want to advise sub for sub because when you subscribe to my channel and you are not really interested in it, it's going to be difficult for you to watch my videos, right? You might do it for a period of time. After a while, you will lose interest because that's not what you want. That's not where you have interest. So I don't really subscribe to sub for sub, but that is another way via which you can get your subscribers fast. Another way you can get your subscribers fast is by using streaming platforms like Restream, for instance. Yes, you can use Restream to get subscribers very fast. Very, very fast. I tried it on my channel, my other channel, and yes, I got subscribers. I can recommend that to you if you like to get subscribers fast. If you like to get what hours, you can actually use Restream. So long as you do it the right way, using your own content and not other people's content. But for today's video, I'm going to be focusing majorly on two ways that I used and then I saw results. The first one is live stream and the second one is shorts. I know people will tell you short is this, short is that, short does this to your channel, short. Yeah, there are some disadvantages of shorts, but I will always say for YouTube to have put it there, it simply means that it actually has its own advantages and then as well as its disadvantages. Meaning it's also still good for your channel. So I can recommend shorts. When I use shorts to, when I posted shorts on my channel, I noticed that it always gave me, always gave me subscribers. Yes, most of the shorts that I put on my channel, not this channel, right, gave me subscribers, and then live streaming gave me my highest kind of subscribers. When I started becoming active again on my channel, on that channel, I had just 50 something subscribers, and by the time I started posting shorts, it increased to 200 subscribers. Yes, I got to almost 200 plus subscribers just by posting shorts in the very first month when I became serious with my channel again. And then after a while, when I could now go live, I knew I could go live because I now had what's it called? I had up to 50 subscribers and I'm using my mobile phone, right? So I know that I could go live. And just in case you don't even know you can go live with 0 subscribers, I made this video right here. You can watch it to get that information and on how to get that done. All right, so back to what I was saying. I could go live because I had some subscribers on my YouTube channel. I did live stream and that gave me my highest subscribers so far. There's no time I come live on YouTube that I don't get subscribers. Truth be told, there's no time that I come on YouTube and I don't get subscribers. All the time, I always get subscribers when I go live. Even if it's just one person that gets to subscribe for my live stream, I get one subscriber, two, three, sometimes 10. I always get subscribers. So these two ways are the ways I'm going to be recommending to you. Live stream. Live stream don't just give you just subscribers. It also give you good watch hours. Yes, it gives you good watch hours. And the good thing about live streaming is if you're able to spend 2 to 3 hours live streaming a video, imagine you go back to maybe tell your friends or use another account to watch the playlist, right? Watch your live stream playlist. You'll be surprised about at how many what's it called? How many watch hours you can actually get from that. I don't know if you get my analysis. Live streaming and shorts, it's are two ways that you can get your subscribers fast. Trust me, I'm not bluffing. I have tried it and I've tested it, and you too can actually experiment with it and see how it goes. Just ensure you're live streaming the right way. You should go ahead and read the policies on how to live stream, YouTube guidelines, right, on how to live stream correctly. Now, I'm done. I'm not explaining how you can get subscribers fast. If you want to get your subscribers very fast, if you have the ability to live stream, ensure you live stream as often as you can, and also ensure that you post shorts. Now, I'm not saying that your videos don't give you subscribers. As a matter of fact, this particular channel, every single subscriber I've gotten is from my long form content. I am trying to ensure that I post more of long form content than short form content on this channel. So don't hesitate to use any of the features. Use live stream, use shorts, post long form content, and you get your subscribers very fast. Thank you for watching. I hope you got value from this video, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up for me. You can ask me anything in the comment section, but most importantly, kindly subscribe to my channel so it can also help me grow. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.